Hi guys, Amy here. Let's talk about one way that you can improve your job performance by getting to know yourself better. In better understanding your strengths and your weaknesses, you can actually achieve more with less effort. And how you do that is not what you might think. Instead of trying to improve your weaknesses, maybe spending hours trying to figure something out that just doesn't come easily to you, can you instead find somebody on your team who's already strong in that area? For example, I'm very type A and super organized. I'm sure that comes as no surprise. However, I'm actually not very good at designing methods by which to organize. So one thing that I do is just pay attention to how I'm feeling when I'm doing a certain task. This helps me to stay efficient by noticing, am I making progress as I move through this challenge? Am I feeling accomplished? Or am I just feeling increasingly frustrated? If you're feeling increasingly frustrated when you're trying to figure something out, well, you're probably not making much progress. However, if you're feeling accomplished, even though it's challenging, in that case, go ahead and stick with it. But otherwise, who on your team can you reach out to who maybe already has a good system in place? Let them teach you, and then you're off and running, doing your job more efficiently rather than spending hours trying to figure something out. And likely you have something that you're naturally good at that you can in turn teach somebody else on your team. Also, getting to know yourself better can help you improve your job performance because you will have a better understanding of what you need in order to excel faster. So for example, for me with recruiting, I know that I work faster and deliver better results when I have all of the details or as much information as possible before getting started in my candidate search. Now, everybody works a little bit differently, so maybe not all recruiters are that way, but in knowing how I work best, then I can communicate that to my clients and ask for time with them up front, maybe 20 or 30 minutes on the phone so that I can get all of the information I need and then I can hit the ground running. So instead of ignoring that quality, that need that I have to do my job better and thinking, well, I don't want to bother my clients with this, so I don't want to, ask them a bunch of questions. Well, they're going to appreciate the work that I can deliver for them faster because I know myself better. I know what I need. I can ask for that and then I can deliver results. So we're all different. There's no right or wrong, but it's your responsibility to get to know yourself better so that you can give yourself what it is you need and ask for help when you need it so that you can do your best work. It's just awareness, and awareness creates change and helps you get what you want faster. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, remember to like and subscribe.